In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Kie AI to Claude AI. So Kie has an official guide for connecting its services to Claude Code or Claude Web. So this will let Claude send its requests through Kie AI and use your Kie AI credit. Of course, this is different from simply opening the normal Claude websites and connecting Kie AI accounts with one button. So first of all, if you don't have a Kie AI account, make sure to go and create one. Make sure that you're logged into it, and also for Claude. If you want to use Claude Code instead as an application, you can do that as well. So then let's just go back to Kie AI. From here, we'll need to basically API key management and create our API key. On this left panel, we'll find, as you can see, API keys on Kie AI. So here you'll find normally the default API key. If you want, you can create a new API key by clicking here. As example, give it a name if you're connecting to Claude, name it Claude, and you can choose here either all models or specific models, and you can choose the specific models that you want to use. It's up to you. Click on create the key as example, and here you'll find API key created successfully. So please save the API key somewhere safe and easily accessible. Click on copy, and here you will have your API key. Of course, you'll always have access to it to change the name, have access to the API key whenever you want. So now you will need to go and either open Claude Code or install Claude Code. Of course, keep in mind that from the official documentation of Kie AI, you have three methods to connect Kie AI to Claude. So first of all, by setting up your credentials on the system environment variables, which is the recommended method. Keep in mind that you'll have to only do one method, not all of those. So if you're on Mac, you'll have to open your terminal and you'll have to type some following commands. And where can you get those commands? Basically, just go and open a new tab on a browser, type how to connect, as example, Kie with Claude, and you'll find the documentation. So to get the exact code as example, here we are. So the first method, which is the recommended one, as example on Windows. So you'll need to open PowerShell and paste one of the following and make sure to replace, of course, the key with your own. So just go here and do this. If you want to do the second method, which is Claude code setting file, you'll be able to do it. So you'll need to go to the env file, as example, and paste this. Or the last method, or method C, is basically downloading the CC switcher Windows MSI file, and you'll have to verify the connection basically after following what's in here. So as example for me, I'm going to use this method B. So all I need to do is just go and access the settings.json of Claude. For example, once I access it, I'll find myself here. All I need to do, just go and copy this example. So we have the first option is like that, and the second option. So this is if you have an API key, and this is if you have an authentication token. But I do have an API key, so I'm going to choose this option. Let's just go back now and open this. All I need to do is just do this. You can delete this comment, you can keep it, up to you. So the best URL, keep it as it is, and here you will have to change with the API key that you have. So just go and paste the API key there, example, and select this, paste my API key, save that file, and you should be good to go. You can save it either by clicking on Control S, or you can click on File, then click on Save. So once you do so, you can just close this file, and you should be good to go. And keep in mind that this takes effects only when running Claude. It does not affect other programs on your system. Of course, a cleaner option if you prefer isolation than the first method. And you can use any of the methods provided here, so it's totally up to you. So that's basically how you can connect Claude with Kie AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.